Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from the series. In this series, we are telling you how to improve your dating life, how to be an absolute player from wherever you are to be, at a point where your dating life is absolutely sorted. Okay? In this module, पहले तो दो modules बताए तो first module was socializing, second module was charming, and third module was about res, just how to attract women and just how to basically, get into a relationship and all of that shit. So, इस एपिसोड में we are going to talk about a mystery that scientists have been researching for years and have never been able to figure out. In this episode, we are going to talk about women. Okay? It's going to be quite interesting. So guys, what do women want? एक सवाल जो कि तुम लोग सालों से ढूंढ रहे हो जिसका आंसर, and I'm going to give it to you in just one word. What do women want? The answer is 3, 2, 1. Women want emotions. That's it. Gist of it. That's it. Women just want emotions. What are women attracted to? Emotions. And now it makes all the sense why all your success, all your fucking shit did not amount to anything, because at the end, the girls are not attracted to looks, the girls are not attracted to money, the girls are not attracted to all of that shit. The girls are just attracted to emotions. Whatever can make them feel emotions, the girls will get attracted to it. Okay? Guys especially, when they make girls feel emotions, the girls get attracted to those guys. The source of emotions, the girls will get attracted to. That's the reason women love dogs so much, cats so much, because they generate an emotion in them instantly. ठीक है? लड़कियों को तुम देखो पानी पूरी ये सारी चीजें बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, because again these are things that generate emotions, right? Women are at the core attracted to emotions. This is how women are. ठीक है? So if women are attracted to emotions, what do we really need to work on? I know, I need to get a good body. जैसे ही मेरी बॉडी बन गई, बंदियां अपने आप आएंगी. Maybe not. Women are attracted to emotions. Then what do we need? I think I need a car. जैसे ही मेरे पास गाड़ी आ गई ना भाई, बंदियों की लाइनें लग जाएंगी. Maybe not. Women are attracted to emotions. Then what do you think we need? I think I need to earn a lot of money. जैसे ही मेरे पास पैसा आ गया ना bro, जैसे ही I have good access to such places, then I'll be able to do it. And that now you understand why you're fucking it up. All of you are fucking it up, because at the core of it, women are attracted to emotions, guys. And what you are doing every other thing but not hitting on their emotions. तुम सारी चीजें ट्राई कर रहे हो, बट तुम बस वो चीज नहीं कर रहे which matters the most. Emotions. You have to give them emotions. If they feel emotions, they will be attracted to you. ठीक है? Women are just all about emotions. Make her feel emotions and she's attracted to you. So from now onwards, whenever you see a woman, when you're talking to a woman, if you're attracted to her, focus on only and only one thing. What are you making her feel? It doesn't matter what you are saying. It doesn't matter कि तुम्हारा standard क्या है. It doesn't matter कि तुम्हारे पास गाड़ी है. It doesn't matter तुम्हारी body कैसी है. What are you making her feel? What are you making her feel? That's the only thing that a woman cares about. What is she feeling? If she's feeling good around you, she wants to be around you. If she's feeling bad around you, she doesn't want to be around you. So your purpose is that she feels absolutely amazing, and that is why you have to be very good with how you say things, या how you basically express yourself. And that is why पिछले दो modules जो थे अपने socializing and charming में मैंने exceptional focus डाला था being vulnerable and being very very expressive, right? अगर तुमने वो दोनों modules ऐसे follow करे हैं guys, by now you already are doing good. तुम ऑलरेडी अच्छा कर रहे होगे. अभी इट इज जस्ट एन इन्फॉर्मेशन टू यू कि गर्ल्स लव इमोशंस, एंड यू विल बी लाइक थैंक गॉड मैंने इस पे काम कर लिया, बिकॉज नाउ आई नो हाउ टू बेसिकली गिव हर इमोशंस. सो दिस इज व्हाट वुमेन वांट. ठीक है? सो अब गाइस, व्हाट शुड बी द एक्शन आइटम फॉर दिस वीक? सिंपल भाई, इस वीक whenever you talk to a girl, try to give her emotions. Simple. And how do you give emotions? Basically, as I said, टॉक वेरी एक्सप्रेसिवली. एकदम खतरनाक एक्सप्रेशन के साथ बात करना स्टार्ट कर दो कि भाई साहब मैं गया था कल चाइना में मैंने देखी ग्रेट वॉल ऑफ चाइना एंड आई वाज लाइक डैम व्हाट अ फकिंग व्यू. मैं जब देख रहा था ना यार, आई कुड सी द होल ऑफ चाइना. एंड वो वैसा नहीं है जैसे तुम्हें लगेगा भाई स्ट्रेट लाइन सीधी जमीन. नहीं यार, इट्स फुल ऑफ माउंटेन्स, इट्स फुल ऑफ सो मेनी डिफरेंट थिंग्स यार. आई वाज लाइक भाई साहब क्या व्यू देख रहा हूँ. दिस इज वन ऑफ such thing you can say. Point being, you have to fucking absolutely be at what you are saying. Be at it and the girl will be absolutely hooked within a few minutes. Again, this is just one of the whole thing, right? पूरी की पूरी equation में this is just one part that you figured out कि girls love emotions. ठीक है? But there will be times when you'll just not get any emotions. You're not able to make her feel anything. तब क्या? We'll cover all of that, right? So point being guys, girls love emotions, and that is the answer to your year-long multi-year long search कि भाई लड़कियों को क्या पसंद है, emotions, simple, plain and simple. So how do you go about it? As I said, the action item is start focusing on generating emotions by talking in a very exaggerated way. ठीक है, you can do this in front of girls, you can do this in front of guys, because मैंने इसे just पहले बोला था कि लड़कियों क्या करो, but you can also practice with among your friends, right? Just be very exaggerated whenever you speak, and whenever you are exaggerated, the girl will just hook onto that emotion immediately. ठीक है, pretty much this, guys. This was concise, but I think this helped, right? See you in the next one.